Here at Alpine Electric Bikes, we like to do things a little differently. Other online trike shops will just deliver your bike in a crate on a pallet, leaving you to unpack and assemble your trike, whilst following instructions which can sometimes be tricky. However, at Alpine Electric Bikes, we want to make the experience of receiving your new electric trike as stress-free and easy as possible. First, you choose your trike from our website and pay a small deposit. Then we deliver it directly to you on our Alpine van. The trike comes fully built and ready to ride, with no packaging to dispose of and no complicated assembly instructions. But we don't stop there. Our fully trained delivery driver will then spend up to 90 minutes showing you exactly how the trike works. They will adjust the seat and handlebars to fit you and even take the time to see you up and down the road on your first ride. And you only pay for the trike once you're happy with it. No other electric trike retailer offers this level of customer service, so you can be sure when you buy an Alpine Electric Trike, you'll be getting the very best. Find your next trike online now at alpineelectricbikes.co.uk.